In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Whimsical for project management. So let's get started. First, what you want to do is open your web browser and head over to the Whimsical login page. Once you're there, you'll see a couple of options to log in. For many of us, using Google to sign in is both convenient and quick, so go ahead and click on the Login with Google button. If you've already signed into your Google account on your browser, you'll see a list of your available accounts. Simply select the one you want to use for Whimsical. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard's main page. Start by navigating to the Projects section. This is where you'll be managing your various initiatives. To create a new project, look for the Create a Project button. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter a name for your project. Choosing a descriptive yet straightforward name is essential as it helps to quickly identify the project's purpose. Once you've entered the project name, it's a good idea to add a description. This step is crucial because it provides context to everyone involved, detailing what the project entails and any specific goals you aim to achieve. After naming and describing your project, you might want to update its status. Click on the Status option to reflect the project's current phase, whether it's in progress, on hold, or completed. Next up is assigning a project lead. Click on the Lead to designate who will be primarily responsible for overseeing the project. This person will ensure tasks are completed on time and will coordinate with other team members as needed. Speaking of team members, you can add colleagues or teammates to your project by clicking on Member. This feature allows you to specify who can view, edit, or contribute to the project, ensuring everyone involved has access to the necessary resources and information. Once your team is set up, turn your attention to the Posts tab. Here you can create posts or updates by clicking on New Post. This is a straightforward way to communicate with your team about milestones, changes, or any important announcements. Next, let's move to the Tasks tab, where you can visually manage your tasks. Whimsical allows for a drag-and-drop interface where you can organize tasks into different buckets, each representing its status in the project lifecycle. The Inbox bucket is where you create new tasks that haven't been sorted yet. The Up Next bucket is for upcoming tasks you'll tackle soon. As you work on tasks, move them to the In Progress bucket. Finally, once a task is completed, simply drag it to the Done bucket. By following these steps, you're well on your way to mastering project management with Whimsical. This tool not only helps keep projects organized, but also fosters clear communication and collaboration among teams. Feel free to explore and experiment with its features to tailor it to your unique project needs.